Welcome to a ViewSonic unboxing. My name is Ray, and today I have for you the VP1656 portable monitor. This is a 16-inch, 16 by 10 aspect ratio portable monitor really designed for professional workflows like creative professionals working in Photoshop or Premiere, videographers, whatever you got. This is a great little portable monitor that will allow you to be very productive while on the go. So let's get it open and see what you get inside the box. Like many of our ColorPro monitors that are for color professionals, one of the first things you're presented with when opening the box is documentation that signifies the importance of our ColorPro, some of the software that works with our ColorPro, and also gives you access to a color calibration report so that you can confirm that this monitor that you're buying is perfectly color calibrated right out of the box, ready for your professional workflow. The next thing out of the box is the actual panel itself. Right now the stand is folded down, but it actually has a really trick stand, and I'll show you this, that folds out like this and holds the entire monitor so that it actually sits up off of a desk or off of a surface pretty nicely, brings it up for a more ergonomic experience while using the monitor. You can see on the front here, it is a full 16-inch and it is a 16 by 10, so it's a little bit more square than a 16 by 9 monitor, which is really great for productivity, and it more closely matches a lot of what we're seeing on the large powerhouse production laptop segment of the market, which have largely moved to this 16-inch, 16 by 10 aspect ratio, and really gives you a lot of wonderful screen real estate to work with when you're away from your desk. The ViewSonic portable monitor lineup is known for having some really great accessories that come with it and come with each of our products. This one is no different. It actually comes with a very nice, high quality carrying case, so you don't need to worry about this thing getting damaged when you're on the road. Up next are actually the accessories and the cables for the monitor. So we include a tripod mount, and if you want to mount this thing onto a tripod, there is the ability to do that. Gives you a little bit more flexibility if you want to use this as, say, a viewfinder to a camera, give you more real estate that you can really see your screen with. Plus, it's a very nice quality display and it is color calibrated, so perfect for that videographer who wants a bigger display when they're on the road. We include a Type-C cable with it. That is significant because it can be connected directly to Type-C on any modern computer, and that will power it as well as providing the video and audio signal. We include a Type-C to Type-A connector, and also, because we don't think you'll have one, we include a micro HDMI to full-size HDMI cable. So if your laptop only has an HDMI and you don't have one of the micro HDMI cables that connects to this monitor, we've included the cable for you. And last but not least, we have a power adapter. This is actually optional. You do not have to use the power adapter. Most laptops can actually just power the monitor themselves, but this is cool because this is actually a 40-watt power adapter. And so for many laptops, especially small, thin, and light laptops, you can bring this with you, and this is enough power to not only power on the monitor, but also pass through that power and power on your computer as well. So this little charger is enough to power both this and your laptop in most cases. Looking at the monitor itself, again, this is a monitor that is specifically set for professionals that want a calibrated monitor that's as good as the ColorPro that they have at their desk at home, but this is in a portable package that they can take anywhere with them, and the carrying case and the accessories ensure that it's a really nice and easy experience when you're on the road. So this has just been a quick unboxing and overview of the VP1656 portable monitor. Please watch this space for more exciting unboxings and videos on ViewSonic products.